Hi, I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, we will understand how to register with the EPFO as an employer. EPF or Employees Provident Fund is a retirement plan devised to ensure that employees don't face financial distress when they retire. EPF scheme is governed by the Employees Provident Fund organization. Under this scheme, both the employee and the employer should contribute. The contributions made are a certain percentage of the employee's salary. Let's now understand the applicability of the EPF provisions on the establishments. The following establishments must mandatorily register with the EPFO as an employer. All factories having more than 20 persons employed. Any establishment having more than 20 people employed and notified by the Central Government of India. An employer should mandatorily register with the EPFO on meeting the eligibility criteria, failing which will attract penalties. If the employee's strength of a registered establishment falls under the prescribed limit, it would still continue being under the purview of the EPFO. The Central Government of India has the rights to ask any establishment having less than 20 people employed to register under the EPFO. Let's now have a look at the details required to register with the EPFO. Establishment details. This includes the name of the establishment, incorporation date, address, PAN, and the type of establishment. The following details are required if the establishment is a factory. Factory license number, date of license, and place of issue. If the establishment is an MSME, then the MSME registration details are required. eContacts. The employer must mandatorily provide email and mobile number of the authorized person. Contact person. The employer must provide a contact person such as a manager. And the following details are required. Name of the contact person, date of birth, and the contact details of the person. Identifiers. The employers must provide their license information. Employees details. This includes total number of employees, gender breakdown, type of activities, and total wages. Branch or division. If the employer has any branch or division, then those details are required. Activities. The employer should choose the type of business activity that they are involved in. Once you have these details in hand, you can register with the EPFO. Let's now understand how to register your establishment with the EPFO. Step 1. Establishment registration. Log on to the official website of the EPFO and register your establishment with the EPFO. This can be done under the option of establishment registration in the home page. Step 2. Download and read the instruction manual. Once you click on the establishment registration button, you will be taken to a page where you will be asked to download the instruction manual. All new users must mandatorily read the instructions mentioned in the instruction manual before proceeding with the further steps. Step 3. DSA registration. The instruction manual would contain the further steps to be followed. After you have followed all the steps mentioned in the instruction manual, the next step is to register your DSC or Digital Signature Certificate. DSC registration is a prerequisite to submit a fresh application for the employer registration. Step 4. Fill the employer's details. You have to check I have read instruction manual completely and click on the register button. This will take you to a page where you'll be asked to enter the employer's details. Step 5. Enter the requested details. You will now be asked to enter the first name, the employer's PAN, username, mobile PIN, and activate email link for EPF registration. On providing these details, your establishment will be registered with the EPFO. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.